Hi everyone, this is your girl Larato Zikalala-Goci. Welcome guys, a special greeting to all of you and to those that are joining us for the first time. Welcome to my vlog and welcome to the family. I hope you guys enjoy as I take you through my journey of life. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Enjoy guys. everybody. Welcome to my channel. Welcome yet to another video. Thank you so much for joining in. I would like to welcome everyone. I'd like to welcome the old people that have been here from day one, and I'd also like to welcome all of those that are watching my video for the very first time. So please don't forget, guys, to comment, like, and subscribe. I guess that's the slogan, right? Comment, like, and subscribe. Yay. But today is a Saturday. It's a Saturday afternoon. Yay, I woke up today in the morning. I didn't go to the gym today, guys. I didn't feel like going to the gym. I've been exercising during the week. I usually exercise in the morning, so I like waking up a bit earlier for work. I wake up like at 5 a.m. in the morning, and then I just like exercising. I like doing skips, you know. So I skip. I don't do a lot of skips, maybe 100 to 150, you know. It's something, guys. It's better than nothing. That's what I usually do in the morning. Sometimes I would exercise when I come back from work, but not all the time, because most of the times I come back and I want to give Gaho attention, and you find that sometimes I'm a bit tired, you know. So most of the times when I get back from work, I'll just put my pajamas on, you know. And I haven't been to the gym in a very long time, you know, but I will go back. Remember, I was meant to go there last week, but I never went, you know. But I'll go back to the gym, guys. So what I did today was that I woke up a bit earlier, because I think the body's just used to waking up earlier, you know, because of work. You know, by 6 o'clock I was up, you know, but I didn't get off the bed. I was still in my bed, and I did a bit of YouTube editing. You know, I got up to some YouTube editing, guys, and yeah. And we woke up, we had breakfast, and then we took a bath. So now I am about to go and cook some lunch. So I'll be taking you guys with me today to the kitchen. So I hope you enjoy that. I'll be making spaghetti and mince. You know, it's my old favorite from back home, so that's what I'll be making today. Yes, so I hope you guys will enjoy my video. Mwah. mntwana bekunjani ukudla wena uhlala ungifuna incanca bekunjani ukudla bekumnandi ukudla say hi say hello say hello say hello say like comment and subscribe. Thank you. Caro, can I see your feet? It's after lunch. We are done eating and say hi. Say hi. We are done eating, guys. The food was very, very, very nice. So it's time to put this one to bed. She has to sleep and take her afternoon nap. So yeah, Nemo Pepile, girl. I hope she can sleep quicker. Okay, so while I'm still putting Kaho to sleep, are you sleeping, Bandy? Are you sleeping? Okay, so while I'm putting her to sleep, guys, I just want to show you that yesterday I went to do my nails, right? I went to do my nails. I'll try and put them this side. Look how stunning they look. Let me just get focus to yay the nails. I have to learn this camera thing, guys. Yo, I'm thinking. Okay, let's see if I can get it. Yay, I got it. Yay, I got it. So I did my nails. All right, I did, what is this, rubber base gel, and I thought let me go for an orange color, you know. So I took those other one out, guys. They didn't really last longer. They didn't last they only lasted for 2 weeks. I thought they would actually last me the whole month, but they did not. So one nail broke last week and it actually broke my actual nail. So this time I did the gel like on my nails. I didn't want any tips, you know. I didn't want any tips. So yeah, I thought let me just show you how my nails look like. So Gail is finally sleeping. Yay. Yes, we won this one. Guys, so Kaho is finally sleeping, right? I can finally sip on some CooK. I don't like drinking fizzy drinks in front of Kaho because obviously she wants and she shouldn't have, right? So yeah, I fixed up my hair again, you know, and I've put on lipstick again just to relax. So this is the lipstick that I use. Matte. What's the brand? LA Girl. So yeah, this is the lipstick that I use, guys. I love the color, but I'm more of a red girl, you know. I love red lipstick. Invite me to an event, I'll come rocking red lipstick. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna close off the vlog here. I'm gonna close off today's vlog here. Thank you so much, guys, for spending the day with me, you know. Obviously it wasn't the whole day, but I think it's enough, you know. It's enough for this video, and we'll try again for another video next time. But thank you so much for those that watched until the end. I really, really, really appreciate it, and thank you so much, guys, for the support, you know. Thank you for those that have subscribed. Thank you for those that have liked, and thank you to those that have commented. For those that have not done those three, you know, please do like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Slogan. Slogan. It sounds very, very nice. Please like, comment, and subscribe, you know. But thank you so much, guys. Do enjoy the rest of your day and stay blessed. Mwah.